Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this error when Fortnite failed to initialize Battleye server's generic error. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first thing first, you want to go to your File Explorer and go to your local disk C and find where you have installed your Fortnite. So for me it would be Program Files and Epic Games. On Epic Games you will see Fortnite. You want to open it up. Then you will see Fortnite game folder. So you want to open this up too. If you will not see Fortnite game, just try to launch it on Epic Games and then it should appear. Then you go to binaries, Win64, and here instead of easy anti-cheat like I do, you will see Battleye folder. So you want to go ahead and just delete all the files inside this folder specifically. And once you will delete the Battleye, then you want to launch the game. But before that, before launching Fortnite, you want to go to Epic Games Launcher, go to Library, find Fortnite, click on three dots here and click Manage. And after that, you will see Verify Files. So you want to go ahead and verify the files and then try to launch the game. It should fix your problem. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.